So in this video, I'm explaining about hexaware pseudocode with explanation. So I'll give you a clear explanation for all the pseudocodes. So this is the first one. So if you take like this, here we have loop. So for each C from 4 to 6. So first C is 4. So C is equals to 4. What you have to do? These operations you have to perform. So here A is equals to C is 4. So initially it's 5, but coming to loop it starts with 4. So C is 4. A is equals to 4 plus B is 8, that is 12. Now A is equals to, here A is 12. 12 plus B is 8, that is 20. So now here A is 20. Okay. Your A value is 20. So now this is completed. So next iteration, C is equals to 5. So here A will become C plus B. What is C? C is 5. 5 plus 8, that is 13. Next A is equals to A plus B. Here A plus B means 13 plus what is B? It is 8. So A is equals to 21. So A is 21. Now this is 21. A value is 21. Okay. Now C is equals to 6. Next iteration, C is equals to 6. So A is equals to, here C plus B. C is 6. 6 plus B is 8, which is 14. Now A is equals to, here A is 14. 14 plus, what is it? Is 14. So 14 plus, so every time I am not changing here, okay? When we get the final one, I am changing here. So now we can say this is 14 also, 14. Next 14 plus A plus B, 8, which is 22. So now A is equals to 22. 22. Okay, now you have completed C is equals to 4, C is equals to 5, C is equals to 6. So all the iterations completed, you have to end the for loop. Now from C, for each C is equals to 2, up to 4 iterations you have to do. C is equals to 2, C is equals to 3 and C is equals to 4 iterations. Now A is equals to, what is C value here? 2. 2 plus 6. So bitwise and C, that is 2, which is 8 bitwise and 2. You have to perform the operation. What is 8? You can write in binary format. And what is 2? This. You know what this bitwise and will do? So it will represent bit 1 when the 2 bits are 1. So if 2 bits are 1, then corresponding resultant bit will be 1, otherwise it will be 0. So 1 means it will represent 1, otherwise it will give 0. Okay, here 0, 0, 0, 0. So your answer is A is equals to 0. So here you have to store A is equals to 0. Next again, C is equals to 3 and also you have to do C is equals to 4. So if you take C is equals to 3, A is equals to 3 plus 6, 9. 9 bitwise and 3. So now you have to do, what is, this is 9, this represents 9 and this represents 3. So 1 1 will represent 1. So here 0 0 0. This is represents 1. So A is equals to 1. So again this is 1. So now here A is equals to C. What is C? 4. 4 plus 6, 10. 10 bitwise and C means 4. So this 10 bitwise and 4 you have to perform. This is 10 and what is 4? This is 4. What it will give? 0 0 0 0. So this will give 0. So what is the value of A? That is 0. So now again here value will store 0. So in the memory of A you will store 0. So now here A is equals to 0. Okay, you have completed this for loop. You have to end the for loop. For iterations 2, 3, 4 you have completed and end for loop. So here print A plus B. What is the value of A? 0. Okay, here A is equals to 0. So 0 plus, what is the value of B? 8. So your answer will be 8. So option B is the right answer. So the next one is this. So here they have given integer a, b, c. So a is 5, b is 4 and c is 7. So initially here we have to calculate b plus c, which is nothing but b is equals to 4 plus 7, that is 11. Now b is equals to a bitwise and b, which is 5 bitwise and what is b? It's 11 and plus a, that is 5. So b will become, what is 5 bitwise and 11? So that is nothing but 0 1 0 1 and 1 0 1 1. So what will be 1 0 0 0? So that is 1 plus, this is 1, resultant value of this is 1, 1 plus 5, that is 6. So b's value is 6 now. So now check out this if condition. Here a is 5 bitwise and c, that is 7 bitwise and what is b? That is 6 is less than c plus b minus a. C is 7 plus b is 6 minus a is 5. Okay. So here 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. So you have to find out this. So 5 is 0 1 0 1. What is 7? 0 1 1 1. So here you will get this, which is nothing but 5. 5. This resultant is this 5 bitwise and 6. So what is 5 bitwise and 6? 5 is this, and what is 6? This. So now you will get 4. This is 4. So this resultant is 4. So 4 is less than 8. Yes, obviously true. So you will get into the if block. Okay. So here C is equals to, what is A? 5. 5 bitwise and what is B? So B is 6. 6 plus A, that is 5. So already you have calculated this 5 and 6. 5 bitwise and 6 is nothing but 4. So 4 plus 5. So here 5 plus 4 is 9. So C is equals to 9. So C is 9 and what is B? B is 6 and what is A? It is 5. So here you have to print A plus B plus C, which is nothing but what is A? So A is 5. 5 plus what is B? It is 6. 6 plus what is C? And it is 9. So sum of this will be your answer. So 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 9 is 20. So 20 is your answer. I think you got what actually the pseudocode is. So this is the explanation of this and the answer is finally 20. So here for this pseudocode they have given some recursive function here. The first, for this question we have to consider the inputs A is equals to 1, B is equals to 6. So if you take this 1 comma 6, you will get here, you will go here. So 1, which is D, that is less than 10, obviously true. So it will return, some value which is, so the value will be B. What is the B value? 6. 6 plus again this function. So this function will return some value. So let us call recursively this function. So here you will take parameters like this, A plus B plus A and B plus A plus B. So here 1 plus 6 plus 1, that is 8, and 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 6 is 13. And you will come here 8 comma 13. So 8 is less than 10. Yes. So it will return B plus some value. So this will return B. What is B? 13 plus some value, which means this will call function. So what function it will call, with what parameters? A plus B plus A. So 8 plus 13, that is 21. 21 plus 8, that is 29. Again B plus A plus B, which is 13 plus 13, 26. 26 plus 8 is 34. So if you again call this function 29 is a, 29 is less than 10, false. So it will end the if condition, and here it will go return a plus b, which is nothing but what is a plus b here? 29 plus 34. So this will return 29 plus, it will return 29 plus 34, which is 63. So this returned value is given here, 63. So now what is this value? 76. So this is returned here, 76. So 76. Now 76 plus 6 is nothing but 82. So finally your answer is 82. So this is the overall pseudocode explanation. So finally your answer is 82 that you got here. So for this pseudocode, they have given string str1 and str2 as goods and dates. So here count console is a function, and also count vowel is also a function. They have given that counts console will return the number of consonants and count vowel will return the number of vowels of the given string. Okay. Now they have given print count cons of str2 plus str1. What is str2 plus str1? It will result, the resultant will be, so str2 plus str1. Okay, so that is deeds goods is the resultant. So for these, how many consonants are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this will return 6 value. Okay, now count vowel str1 plus str2. So the resultant string will be goods deeds. So here count the vowels. It will return the number of vowels. 1 2 3 4. Only 4. Okay, this will return 4. So this function will return 4. So print the sum of these two function values. So 6 plus 4 is 10. So your answer is 10. So in this pseudocode, they have given P is 9, Q is 6 and R is 5. So you have to calculate this R. So R is equals to, so here R is equals to 2 plus R, which is 5. Now R will be 7. Okay, now P is equals to 7, R is 7, bitwise and P. What is P? It is 9. So you have to perform, what is 7? Yes. What is 9? This. So this represents 1. Now P is 1. Okay, if Q is less than R. What is Q? 6. 6 less than R is 7. So yes, this is true. Condition is true. So you will enter into the condition. So what is R value? Q XOR, bitwise XOR 12. So that is nothing but, what is Q? 6 XOR 12 XOR, what is P here? 1. So you have to calculate this first. Okay, 6 XOR 12 means, how you can write 6 like this? 12 means like this. This is 6 and this is 12. So if you perform XOR means, if two bits are different, then the resulting bit will be 1. Okay, that is XOR. So these are same. So 0, different, 1, 0 and 1. So this is 10. Resultant value is 10. So 10 XOR with 1. Now here different, same, 0. Here different, so 1. So this is, what is the value? 8. So this is 11. Okay, so R value is 11. Now you have to end the if condition. Now print P, Q, R. P plus Q plus R. What is P here? It is 1. 1 plus what is Q? So we have not modified in the code anywhere. So Q value is 6. 6 plus what is the value of R? That is 11. So the sum of this all is 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 1 is 18. So it will print 18. So the output will be 18. So 18 is the answer. So here in this question, you have to consider a is equals to 0, b is equals to 2 and c is equals to 8 for this given function. So initially c is equals to 11 bitwise and 0. So a is 0. So if you do that, what is 11? What is 0 represents? 11 is like this, 0 is like this. You have to perform bitwise and. So this is 0, 0, 0, 0. So the value represents 0. So now c is equals to 0 here. Okay. Next c is equals to a and bitwise and a. So c is equals to what is a? 0. 0 bitwise and 0. So if you perform that also, you will get 0. Okay. So the c value will be 0 now. So now coming to the if condition. So 4 bitwise XOR 8. 4 bitwise XOR 8. So what is 4? Like this. And what is 8? So this. So XOR means if two bits are different, then the resultant will be 1. So these are same, so 0. So this is 12. Okay. Now this value becomes 12. 12 XOR C. So C is 0. Now 12 XOR 0 means you will get like this. So different, yeah, 1. Okay, now this is represents 12. So this total value will become 12 now. Now here 5 XOR A. XOR A is nothing but 0 here. Here given A is nothing but 0. So 5 XOR 0 means 5 nothing but this. And you will get this. So which is nothing but 5 here. So 12 is less than 5. Is 12 less than 5? This is false. So you won't go inside the if condition. So you will end the if condition and return A plus B plus C. So what is A? It is 0. And what is B? You have not modified anywhere the B value. So it is 2. And what is C? So C value is 0 that you have modified in this code. So the sum of these three is 2. So your answer is 2. That is option C. This is your answer. So in this pseudocode, they have given PQR values. So you have to find P bitwise and R. So P bitwise and R nothing but 1 bitwise and 7. So 1 represents like this, 7 means. So bitwise and means, so if both of the bits are 1, then the resultant will be 1. So these all are 0. So the resultant value is 1. So this value will become 1. So this is 1 and this is also 1. So 1 less than Q, that is 3. Yes, true. Or this is true. Or this is 1. 1 less than 7. Yeah, this is true. So this is true and this is true. So one of the condition is true, then this will satisfy the OR condition. Yes, this if condition is true. Now you have to find the Q. Q is nothing but what is R? 7. 7 plus what is P? That is 1. So now Q value will be 8. And in the if condition. So print P plus Q plus R. P is nothing but 1. 1 plus what is Q value here? 8. 8 plus what is R value? 7. So sum of these numbers is 16. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. So 16 is your answer. So here they have given the strings. So first let us calculate this. Okay, I have already explained what is count console in the before pseudocode. It will return the number of consonants. Okay, let us go with substring of the given string with given index values. So str1 plus str2 plus str is nothing but str1 is nothing but y x x y. So here index 1 and you, this is exclusive, index 1 and 2 you have to consider. So this is yx. So in this yx, count number of consonants. So these two are consonants obviously. So because these are vowels. Okay, nothing is in, so no vowel is present in this given string. So here 2. Okay, next here if you consider str2 plus str1 plus str2, that is xx yy xx. So here 0 to 3, that is nothing but 0 1 2, you have to consider this. So here number of vowels 0, number of consonants are 3, so this will return 3. So 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. So your output will print 5 as the answer. So your answer is 5.